Okay, what we have is a Mazda 3. We're going to replace the shock absorber. So first you have to remove those two bolts or nuts and make sure you put some penetrating oil, and also here in the bottom, so we have to remove. So let's do that. So now you're gonna need a 13mm dip socket, right, to unbolt it. Bottom you're gonna need 17mm socket, like so. Okay, so it's a good idea to leave the, once you get the nut out, just leave one a little bit. Just leave one a little bit out, so that when you unbolt the bottom, it will not fall off on you. And also, it's a good idea to jack up the spring or the vehicle. This particular spring here, where you were working on, so that it will compress a little bit and it will give the less stress for the strut when you take the bolt out, like so. So now this strut is out. So also it's a good idea to compare the new one and the old one. That way you have the the visual, if it's the same or not. So basically this is the new one. And also you have to swap some of the bracket, like this bracket here. You have to swap it into the new strut, the bracket, and also this cover here. So you're gonna have to unbolt here. There's a nut here, so you have to take it out, and then you're gonna swap it here before you put it into the car. So to tie it up, you're gonna need a small adjustable wrench and a 13mm, right? And you kind of counter the rotation of the shaft by putting the adjustable on the very top of the tip of the strut, like so. And then you turn, right? And this is the same thing when you remove it. When you remove it, same way, just counterclockwise. Okay, so everything is in place. As you can see, that's done. The bottom is done. So that's a new strut for shocks. And the right side will be the same process. So yeah, thank you for watching.